Tamaryn Green goes full steam ahead with Miss SA duties. She's held the crown of Miss SA for just under 2 weeks, and it's safe to say that Tamaryn Green is working it hard. The medical student has moved to Joburg and into an apartment, which is part of her prize for the year of her reign. From TV and radio interviews, to catching up with former Miss SAs, Tamaryn recently said on her Instagram page that life has been crazy busy. But she's doing it all with a smile on her face as she works hard to make sure that she makes her mark. Check out some snaps from her first 2 weeks as the newly crowned Queen of Mzansi.